This is the TransEdge Modification Center, where we take new trucks and modify them.
TransEdge Truck Center has been in the modification business since 1990. What a modification center does is every truck has a need or a specific application that it's got to be put into. A lot of the options that are needed to meet those requirements can't be done on a moving assembly line.
It's critical that the TransEdge Modification Center exists so every customer can have the exact truck that they want. We are that final step, that final stage in the delivery process that we can really develop a customized solution for our customers.
We deal with a lot of the Mack fleets, a lot of the dealer trucks, with Mack defense trucks. We also deal with the international market. We do a full gamut of modifications here.
Our location has been very strategic, and it's very close to the Lehigh Valley operations, their plant there, and we really want to make sure that we are investing that in the future to grow that business. We've developed efficiencies there and expertise with our technicians and our leadership team.
All our technicians here have been factory trained. They've all gone through the Mack Pro Professional Service Technician courses, and then a lot of them take on more specific training for electrical, for chassis designs, for air brakes, and they achieve their master tech status.
These are people that really have seen all types of work, and they can really efficiently, and I would even say creatively, complete the work on the truck to make sure that it's delivered correctly and quickly.
Our work ethic brings a tremendous value to our customer. Nothing will ever leave here that we don't feel we've done full quality.
When we deliver a truck, it's 100% correct 100% of the time. Our management team at the TransEdge Modification Center has over 130 years of experience in the industry. We've sat on that side of the table as well. We know what it's like to be a customer, to work within Mack Trucks to make sure that we can be a strategic partner and get these trucks on the road. The TransEdge Modification Center is another extension of that to really support the work that's being done at the Macungie plant and ensure our customers are satisfied with our brand, are satisfied with the product, and are out on the road serving their own customers and their own business needs as soon as possible. This is the future of TransEdge.